Today I am painting the Toyota Camry emblem and trim. As you can see right here, it looks bad. And over here, I washed them already with soap, but it looks really bad. And this little thing over here, it looks terrible. So I'm gonna paint this one to a different color. Okay, let's dive into it. Let's do this. First, I'm going to 400 grit sandpaper and clean water and clean this out. Okay, let's get started. Just like that. Okay, so far it's not coming out. The spot over here is very deep and everything. It's okay, but it's smooth enough. I might have to put lots of a primer on there before it becomes smooth. This is kind of okay now. Still you can see the stuff on there, but hopefully it's okay. And then this one over here is going to take a lot of work because there's two colors. There's black over here, and so these two over here I'm going to spray them with plastic dip over here. That way I don't have to tape this one off. It's not easy to tape it off, so hopefully that helps me. I'm trying to make the job easier. Okay, let's see if we can do this one. Fourth layer, here we go, 20 minutes. Okay, now wish me good luck. I got a T-pin over here, or you can use a toothpick. Should be better. Now I'm going around here, just like that, all the way around, and even on the outside too. Well, turns out it's little bit too thin. It's hard to get it off. As you can see right there. This job is almost not worth to do it. I did the plastic dip did not work, so I end up taping it anyway, like I should done it the first time. And this is the little one. This is work okay. I didn't say it's easy, but it's right here right now. So now I'm going to paint this on that letter in black, and then I'm going to take the plastic dip out. But I'm going to paint this one as a silver. Okay. Okay, this is the main thing I'm going to use over here. This is the primer. Over here has the silver, and this is for the wheel. So I'm going to use that one for that. But for the little letter thing, I'm going to use the this primer right here is black, and then the gloss paint. Okay, now this is ready right there. And right here, it looks terrible. And right here. And right here. Alright, now this is they are ready for paint. Over here. These two over here, I think I'm going to sand them down one more time and then re-prime them. That way they will be so smooth. But the LE right here, I'm feeling up right now. It's coming out okay. and then I'm going to find a way to cover that letter, and then I'm going to prime it and then paint the same color as them over here. Perfect, right there. After the fourth layer of primer, they're looking good right there. Now, are you ready for this? Let's do it. So far, that's the difference right there. That's after. That's before. I think it looks pretty good. Before, I can see those big dots and all this missing paint or cheap paint. Up from there, now I don't see any no more, except looking good. The reason I haven't done this one yet because I have to prime this one twice. It was really bad, so I had to sand it after the fourth time and then prime it again with 3 more times. So they're looking perfect right now. Now 10 minutes later, I'm going to remove all this tape inside here, and then from there, before it gets too dry. As I was saying, guys, it makes it difficult to take this little tape off between here. As you can see right now, kinda damaging it right there, but hopefully I can clean it out and then clear coat it. Here you go, kinda okay, but I'm still not done with it yet. I'm gonna clean more out and it will be more black. And then time for the easy one. Here you go, chrome on the outside, black in the inside. I kinda damaged it a little bit. I mean, it's still too wet. Maybe I should wait it for about 20 minutes. See that stuff over there? And then around here and around there. It's not very good, but oh well. It's a 97 Toyota Camry and it's mine, and who cares about it? I'm the only one going to drive it, so it's my car. I'm thinking if I wait about 20 or 30 minutes or even hours, I think they should pop out cleaner, but I did it too early, or about 10 minutes after I painted, so kinda made a mess in there and kinda make mark here like I said and leave it around, but it's not as bad. Now finally, Clearcoat Rust-Oleum from local store. Shake it very well, and then I guess not too bad. Okay, let it sit up for 15 minutes and then move it. That way it be perfect. That's after when it's finished. Okay guys, here they are. They are finally finished. They almost near perfect. So here they are. Here's this one. As you can see, this is the ugliest one at the first time, but it is come up very good. And same thing with this one over here as well. I had some hard time to clean the black thing off, but it's clean now. And this was perfect, and I messed up a little bit when I tear the tape off. And everything else, it's good. This is the worst from before, but now it look how it is. It's not as bad. You can still see some spot over there, but oh well. You can see far away like that, but you know, if you really get into it, you can see it. And this is the perfect one, so I can't say nothing much about it. Now it looks better. Right there. If you're still there and still watching this video, and I hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my video. I would like to keep going to my subscriber up, and if you did subscribe, I really appreciate that. And there is some video on a top left, top left and right, and then below should be a subscribe button over there, and go ahead, click there and subscribe. And once again, thank you very much for all my subscribers, and God bless. Bye for now.